This is Tuesday the 4th of March 2025. The yard's just up there. Here we with Musher in Kildare Yard. Who is it? Give her the fucking photograph.
It's got a long blaze now. Can you see?
Out of the way.
Huh?
Out of the way. You keep feeding her. Oceanic.
Was she here before?
Yeah.
Hello, Jen. Where's Penny Pulse then? Penny Pulse is on the stable. Penny Pulse's name is on the stable. Penny Pulse has got a long blaze. Penny Pulse has got a long blaze on her nose.
That's the end of that.
This might be my first interaction of the day. Just my first interaction of the day. That's very short and sweet. That's Penny Pulse. Penny Pulse, she's got a long blaze. She's very like Zenyatta. So if she's got, well, that could be her there. That could be her in there.
Mm-hmm.
Remember her last year?
Yeah, yeah.
She was here last year, do you remember?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I remember she had a long blaze like that. She had a real white face, I remember. She had a real white face, Penny Pulse. What's her name again? Oceanic.
Oceanic or something like that, yeah.
Penny Pulse there. The one here in front of me. That's Penny Pulse.
Yeah.
She was here last year, and then the daughter of Dragon Pulse. She was here last year. And we formed a strong relationship as far as I remember. I think she was here before last year too, wasn't she?
Yeah.
I think she was here 2 years ago, wasn't it? I think here 2 years ago. And my first meeting with her, I think, was in Nursery 1. Wasn't that right?
Yeah.
Nursery 1, I think, was my first meeting. So Nursery 1, yeah. That was my first meeting with her. I met her a few times in the barn.
Mm.
In the Kildare Yard. Met her a few times in the barn. In the Kildare Yard. Got great times in there, feeding her grass. Yeah, we were bringing the mares in. Great chats with her in there. She's really different colour to her dad. Her dad's dark chestnut. Yeah. A nice long chat with her. That Oceanic, that lovely name. I know idea who that one is over there, that dark way over there.
Is that Penny Pulse, do you think, yeah?
According to Sinead, there was a dark mare that didn't want anyone to go near her foal.
Alright.
There was a dark mare that didn't want anyone to go near her foal. Sinead broke the glasses. She was saying there was a dark mare that didn't want anyone to go near her foal. A real dark mare. It's a few dark mares here. There's that one there. There's one of the Nursery 3. And there's one in Nursery 1. There's a few dark mares. So I'm not too sure which one she's talking about. There's a few dark mares. I'm not too sure which one she's talking about. Which one she's referring to. She's talking about the one in the nursery. Nursery 1. But she seemed very wary of me, you know, trying to offer her grass. And she was feeding her foals. So she didn't seem to up for coming over to me.
Let's get dinner in the Green Isle instead of here later on. For a change. What, you're going to have to cruise there, yeah? Beautiful day down here, it's enjoyable, even though you're not getting any luck, so to speak. First day we haven't worn my coat, by the way, since probably October last year, or August.
It is quite chilly though, really.
I'm alright.
No, I'm only wearing a cotton tracksuit, and it's cotton, it's not really. It's quite a cold breeze, you know.
Yeah.
This is a very cold breeze.
I'm actually fine. I I wear my hat, it's fine.
I feel the chill on my neck. I feel the breeze on my neck.
Yeah.
She's gorgeous. I remember her from last year.
Oh.
I wish she'd come over to me. Penny! Penny! That's her name, isn't it? Penny.
Yeah.
I just called her Penny for strong, thinking Penny Puff was nice. Puff pot. I called it pot. Put the puff on that. Maybe that would be nice again.
No, yeah.
That got their attention.
There you go.
Oh!
Oh, yeah, very good.
She took the whole lot on my hand.
She must be hungry.
Jesus, she took the whole lot.
Jake, she's waiting for it.
Wouldn't I?
Yeah.
With the grass, and at least Vignette was more patient. Vignette was more patient with me picking up the grass. She wouldn't wait while I was picking up the grass. She's off like a flash. Vignette, she would wait. And she'd wait until I picked up more grass, and she'd wait patiently. I picked up more grass, and give me a chance to pick up the grass. Vignette was more patient, waiting for me. I was picking up the grass, but this wouldn't give me a chance to pick up a good, nice, big lump of grass for her. So I took a nice, biggish portion of grass, but she wouldn't give me a chance to pick it up until I picked it up. See, that's one of the reasons why I miss Vignette, because Vignette was great. And she stayed in the fence for ages. She stayed there for ages, like over half an hour. She stayed there half an hour, let me feed her grass. I had great times with her. She's a very sociable mare. She'd just stand there, let me feed her grass. She wouldn't walk off. And she wouldn't get bored waiting for me to pick up the grass. She'd wait there patiently. Because it gave me a chance to pick up a nice biggish lump for her. Have a nice long interaction with her at the same time. Nice long chat with her at the same time. But she's off like a flash. It's a nice long interaction there, that mare. I only got two quick hellos, that's all. That's probably my only interaction I've had so far today. Just two quick hellos. The mare goes.
What video?
Huh? How long is that?
You're only on 6 minutes.
No?
9 minutes.
I wish my friend would come over. Penny Pulse. Come on, Penny. You zoom into her there, will you? Come on, Penny! 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 That's what they had very good hearing. I thought they could hear from miles away. I'm banging the gate and she won't even put her head up. I thought they could hear from miles away. I'm banging the gate and she's not even responding. Like that made her she's asleep.
Yeah.
And I've no idea who she is. Got no idea what that is. Let's see if I can try catch flaming pasta.